Hi guys, my name is Zaya and today I want to show you how to open and run your first DaVinci Resolve project. Why we choose DaVinci Resolve? Because this is one of the most popular the soft right now to make edit and color grading in the most popular movies in Hollywood, and it used for Netflix delivery and for HBO delivery. This is really interesting and powerful tool right now on the market. If you have a lot of footage, you never actually grade, never actually edit color because it looks maybe terrible, looks very raw, and you can't start. So this video is for you because it's really easy, and DaVinci Resolve, it's a new world you can actually open and start working in. It's a future for mannequin, and if you do a lot of reels for your Instagram, YouTube channel, maybe my advices will be very helpful for you too. Okay guys, let's jump in and open the DaVinci Resolve. Then we can start a new project. We go to project manager and we can create new project, and now this is a new, we can call it new 2. And now this is a new feature in DaVinci Resolve 20, which is different from previous version. You can change the location of your media, so you can show the app where your media actually is stored and where your project file want to be. Okay, let's create it. We have to go to the most important tool. So this is a project settings where you can choose any timeline resolution you want, and this tool have two different sections. First one, it's more like a standard NTSC-DV old formats. You can choose 720p HD video, Real HD 1080, Ultra HD, which is 4K, and Ultra HD, which is 8K. But then you have another sections with cinematic settings, which is Academy, Scope, DCA Flat 1.85, which is actually standard DCI. You can use it like in 2K or in 4K. You can pick the scope to 2.39, which is anamorphic settings. And if you know, most of the theaters still use the 2K projections to project the video movie you watch in the real theaters. It's still not always 4K. It's still, I think it's 75% of theaters still use 2K projections. Okay. Also, you can pick the VistaVision, which is open gate format if you film in Blackmagic open gate cameras, or you film in an Arri 35, Arri Alexa Mini. You probably will choose VistaVision first. Okay, let's pick, for example, anamorphic look. And for now, this is it. Let's save it, and let's add some media to our project. How we can make it? We can import media, and I'll import some clips. The soft asking me, would I like to change my project frame rates based on the media or not? So my project frame rates, as you've seen, was 24 frames per second, which is standard, and I don't want to change it because some of my clips can film in slow-mo, like in 60p, so I don't want to change it. And this is my raw files. I can create timeline right now. I can pick start time code. This is we start from 0. Timeline name, I can call it. We can choose number of video tracks, and we can choose numbers of audio tracks, and we can change the audio settings, mono, stereo, or like anything actually available right now. I can leave stereo, and I'll change 2 and 2. Let's create it. Then we create the timeline. We can put all our files into the timeline. And what do we see? Because we choose the anamorphic aspect ratio, but our footage, not all of them will film in anamorphic, we have these black lines on the sides. If you want to cut it, the soft can make it automatically for you. In image scaling, you have to change it to scale full frame with crop. And this is give some information to the soft, so you want all the footage will be cropped automatically to your current aspect ratio, and you don't have to do it manually, and you right now everything looks the same, and you don't have any weird black lines on the sides. Okay, right now we saw these flat looking raw pictures. How we can change it? We can go back to our project settings and go to tab color management. And here the tricks happened actually. Color science right now it's set for DaVinci RGB. We can change it to DaVinci Color Manage It if we know what the footage we edit. If it's raw footage from Blackmagic cameras, Red cameras, Sony, Canon, or Arri, we can use Color Manage It. And DaVinci Resolve, we know if we choose camera raw, you see DaVinci already know all these raw file standards, so automatically the soft can change it to the standard color contrast Rec 709 footage. All my footage is SDR, and output color space is Rec 709, which is standard. Rec 2020 is for HDR, it's a more like a contrasty look. New one as SDR sRGB, it's more for the web work, which actually works great as well for YouTube, for Instagram. HDR HLG and HDR PQ works in movie delivery for like Netflix and for streaming services, so we don't have to use it. We can pick the Rec 709 and click Save. And what we see, all our footages was changed to the contrast, beautiful look. And now we can start edit it. Actually, let's change the timeline resolution for Ultra HD, so because everything was shot like this, 17:9. And even now this is a good starting point for our color grading, but I really want you to start your first DaVinci Resolve project, start edit this footage, and don't scare about the lock, flat look, so it's pretty easy to set up and it's pretty easy to start working. Let me know if it was helpful. I already have a YouTube channel in Russian language. I'm from Russia, but I'm based in Los Angeles for the last almost 15 years, and now I want to start this new journey in English, and I hope you will help me to fix my language issue and make this channel happen. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.